Okay, so I've demonstrated to you what the change of base law is with some examples, but I haven't really given you a proof as to why it's true. So I'm just going to come off to the side here. You don't need to write this down, but I'm going to give you a proof as to why this is true. So we're not going to test you on the proof. You need to know this, but I just want to show you the proof just for, if nothing else, your enjoyment. I think you should have an understanding of where this comes from. Okay, so let's quickly go through it. Let's begin with a statement. We're going to start with log of base a of x is equal to n. Now, what is this telling me? It's telling me that a raised to the n is equal to x. If I now take the log of both sides, so I'm going to say, let's take log of base b of this side, and I'm going to take a log of base b of this side. Now, this is still a true statement because my arguments, of course, would have to be equal to each other because we've got the same base. So I haven't changed anything here. Now we can use our log law that tells me I can take this n and bring it to the front. So it's going to be n log of base b of a is equal to log b of x. The next thing I can do is I can divide both sides by log b of a, which will leave me with n is equal to log b of x is equal to log b of a. Now remember what we started with. We began by saying that n is equal to this. Well, here I've got n here. So that must mean that I can take this right here, I can take it, and I can say, well, this is going to be equal to, the power of technology here, this. And as you can see, I've got log of base a of x, and over here, I've just changed the argument and the base. So here I've got a, well, here's the a down there. And here I've got, let me grab another color, here I've got x, and here's the x up here. It doesn't matter what the b's are, that doesn't matter, because b could be anything. But this is the proof as to why it's true. Now, are we ever going to test you on the proof? No. But I still think it's good to have an understanding of where we get the change of base law from. All right, I'll see you in the next part.